Welcome back to the Absolute Twin Sands Resort and Spa here on this beautiful peninsula just outside Patong. As you can hear, we've started construction on the Phase 2 of the Twin Sands now. That started at the end of January and we're looking to complete in the second quarter of 2015. And Twin Sands has enjoyed tremendous success with its first phase sold out, and we recently launched the second phase in 2013, which also sold out off plan. The 52 contemporary luxury units will offer a superb lifestyle down here at the Tri-Trang Beach and with the Merlin Beach next to us. With our neighbours, the Rosewood, opening up in 2015, we really are in good company. Absolute Twin Sands Resort and Spa is a superb resort investment opportunity from both ourselves as the experienced development partner and from Jones Lang LaSalle as our international lead agent. We look forward to welcoming you here. It's very encouraging to see the initial success from the Phase 1 resort operations. We've been open 1 year, and now for Phase 2 to start to follow in that success. Like Phase 1, Phase 2 was sold out off plan, delivering great value and affordable luxury to our owners. We look forward to launching Phase 3 very soon, once again in partnership with leading agent Jones Lang LaSalle. The final phases of the Twin Sands Resort offers all the 5-star services and facilities you would expect from a world-class absolute development. And will also incorporate a unique 360 degrees wellness, spa, yoga and fitness centre aimed very much at those interested in a cleanse program at a variety of levels whilst experiencing a fantastic holiday. And the kids can use the children's club while mum and dad are replenishing. At a time when lifestyles are changing and investors are looking for more creative investment opportunities, the Absolute World Group and its award-winning shared ownership program at Absolute Twin Sands Resort and Spa gives buyers choice and flexibility in a world-class resort property. For more information, come to www.absolutetwinsands.com or follow us on Facebook or other social media outlets. Look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now.